This is a Miyota T250 mechanism, and the way to insert the battery in there, it's from left to the right side. Insert it first here on the right side of the battery hole, otherwise it's not going to get into there. Let's just try. So insert it just like this, then press it downwards. And if you want to remove it, you need to use something sharp right here on this side. Anyhow, you figure out. The battery, it's a silver 395 1.55 volts. You need to use this specific battery. I'll put a link in the comment section, otherwise the watch is not going to have the correct voltage. I did not have to reset anything, although there are some reset buttons behind the mechanism. There are these buttons here, these 4 dots, and there is a text. You just look with a magnifying glass if you need to reset it. But usually you don't need, and just make sure you use the correct type of battery with the correct voltage. The text here says to push all 3 PB buttons at once after replacing the battery. I'm not sure what PB buttons means. Perhaps it's about the big black buttons, because there are 3 of them. The back cover on this Freestyle watch has 4 microscopic screws. This require a flat screwdriver, the smallest and tiniest that you can find, and perhaps more surely a magnifying glass to see. But it's extremely small screws. I have to remove the internal mechanism from this watch. It's a Freestyle watch, and the mechanism is Miyota T250 here, and I need to remove the stem from it. And if we look right here, we have push. It says push. Just zoom in a little bit. So it says push right here with a small arrow, and you have to press here with something. I have something sharp, or maybe a needle. Careful not to touch something else. Press right there. Let's try to do this with one hand. There's no need to press like crazy, just a little bit. First you pull the stem a little bit outside, and then press with that thing. And there you go.